Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick little landscape of Tuscany using lots of fun bright colors today. Make sure you look below the video for a full list of those colors and where you can find them. Hit subscribe and enjoy this painting. So for this painting today, I decided to go with a smaller canvas, a square canvas, just for something different. I wanted something small to hang up in my kitchen. I don't have a lot of wall space, but keep in mind that you can paint this on any size canvas that you want. And I also want to remind you guys that there's a full list of the colors I'm using below in the description area of this video. And you don't have to have neon colors to paint this. You can paint this in any color palette that you want. This is just for some inspiration and to help motivate you guys get started on a beautiful Tuscan landscape. So I'm using light ultramarine blue, neon pink, neon orange, titanium white. I'll also be using some neon red, some neon yellow warm, a little bit of black, and some sap green, and also some phthalo blue. I'll be using a fan brush, a filbert brush, a round brush, and also a flat and a liner. So I'm just going to add the finishing touches to these poppies now, little black dots in the center of them, using my liner. And I had so much fun painting this today. I love using a lot of bright colors. I hope you guys do too. Don't forget to subscribe for more, like this video, and leave a comment below. Have a wonderful day and happy painting, everybody. Bye for now.